Absolutely everyone in this world wants to know how to make $100 per day with your side hustle. And today I'm gonna crack the code for you and give you the step-by-step manual on how to achieve that. And the best thing is you don't have to have a talent, you don't have to have a competence. I will show you on how to manage everything on your own from wherever you are in this world and whatever age you are. You probably heard about these websites like Fiverr and Upwork, where you can hire someone from across the world, asking him to do something for you, like graphic design, like video editing, audio editing, poster, whatever you need, name it, you'll find someone on these platforms. Now, the good news is, on these platforms, you can do both, sell and hire. And there are numerous amount of people from different demographics, from different countries in this world, with different price points and with different services that they offer. Upwork and Fiverr are platforms where you can really make good amount of money. Now, you are not good in Adobe, Premiere, Lightroom, whatever. So how are you going to make money? Let me tell you how. It's a very easy principle. Here are the clients, here is the talent, and you are the manager, the V person, all right? You transfer. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna choose one of these 10 categories. Number 1, graphic and design. Number 2, digital marketing. Number 3, writing and translation. Number 4, video and animation. Number 5, music and audio. Number 6, programming and tech. Number 7, business. Number 8, lifestyle. Number 9, data. And number 10, photography. Once you chose the top category, you have to divide into the different services that you might be able to offer below that category. If we say, for instance, writing and translation is the category that you chose, you can divide that into subcategories. You write YouTube video scripts, or you write captions for Instagram or TikTok. There are numerous of different services that you can specify and actually offer out there. So now you're gonna ask me, but still, I don't know how to do that particular thing. But there are others that offer it for maybe a lower price. Because see, this is the good thing about all the platforms out there where you can actually hire someone for a service. There are numerous people doing the same thing and probably on the same quality, but all offer it for a different price. Someone that sells the logo design, for instance, for $150 might be on the same level that someone that sells it for $15. It's literally only about marketing. Book from the cheapest guy out there and learn and talk and give out briefings, because the outcome might be the same like someone that would do it for $150 out there. So what you do is you're gonna hire someone from these platforms that do it at a lower cost than you are planning to offer it. For instance, when we talk about script writing, there might be someone that does Reel and TikTok scripts for $10. You can offer it for $30 and buy the same service from the $10 guy. Now I have a trick for you if you want to put this particular service out there. All of the writers that I texted on these platforms, and also some people that actually do it as a business in Dubai or outside the country, what do they use? AI. I got their trick. I caught you on camera. So they all use your AI and they just specify what you're looking for. So for instance, I can ask AI Smith, it is an app you can download. I will send you the link down in the caption. You can use AI Smith to say, for instance, okay, I am a business owner and I help women to grow their own business, their own service-based online business. My company is called CEO and I want a script of 8 minutes where I will teach my followers on how to set up a service-based business. Please write down 5 tips and steps on how to do it and elaborate on it. The longer your description is, the more specific AI is going to give you your particular script. So in this case, you don't even have to hire someone else on these platforms. You can even do it better. And if you just write a little bit around it, you can make sure that you sell a high quality script with the help of AI. And AI always finds the right words. You can even tell AI what tone of voice to use. If you want it to be a little bit more loose, if you want it to be a little bit more formal, all of these information you can give to AI and they're gonna give you your solution. So now how can someone actually buy from you? Personal branding. What most of them miss is that they use as their cover picture or as their description in what their field is really old-fashioned things. Most of them don't understand how women, for instance, and this is what I would recommend you because we are more emotionally and aesthetic buyers, they choose images that would not be aesthetically pleasing for any woman out there. This is your goal and this is your time to shine. So you're gonna either type in on Pinterest current logo trends, and then you can think about 3, 4, 5 business names where you can transfer these logo trends. So you have completely trending logo designs made by you. You already hire them on these platforms that you could use as your cover picture. The other thing is your description. And there we can also use AI. Hey, write me a description about myself. I want to offer a graphic design for this and this reason. And one hack that I would really recommend you, don't just write, I make logos or something. Got me? So now, even if you have a perfect niche, you have a perfect description, you have perfect pictures, in the end, the guy that has more ratings than you will still be preferred than you, right? Because he had more orders. He had a way longer time to prove himself than you did. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna activate your network, girl. You're gonna ask all your friends, your family, everyone to buy your service and to give you a 5-star rating, and also elaborate on what your profits are. So for instance, don't tell them, okay, just give me like 5-star, 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 and in the end there is no comment. Give them texts and make it as easy as possible. You know how many people have been asking me for Google ratings in my past? And I hate it because give me a text that you want me to post to make it easy for me so I can copy paste and I post it. This is just how, like, I am just explaining you the first funnel, how you actually get customers. But afterwards, don't disappoint them with your service. Your service has to be on point. You have to try out different logo designers that you work with to see how can they fulfill your expectations. And always ask more questions to your client. Sometimes on, for instance, some of these platforms, they ask you to fulfill as a customer what exactly I want. I do a self-experiment right now because nobody taught me this when I was younger. Nobody showed me these hacks. YouTube was not as delivered as it is today and as specific as it is today. This is why I want to give you this benefit in this video and tell you specifically how you can reach your goal so you can actually do it. Don't just watch this video and don't do anything. Really watch it and benefit from it in actions. Because remember, intentions don't define who we are, actions do.